Someone's making an extra $700 to $1,200 a month with just 1 hour of trading each evening after work. Not because they're special, not because the market is easy to predict, but simply because they're doing it the right way. What about you? You've got a full-time job, your time is limited, but you want an extra stream of income. You don't want to rely solely on your paycheck. You can't afford to wait for overtime. And you're not here to gamble. Maybe you've heard of Forex, but still skeptical? Totally fair. Because most beginners start off on the wrong foot. In this video, you'll see how much part-time traders can realistically earn, how long it takes to see results with just 1 hour a day, and most importantly, what to avoid so you don't lose money like most people do, why most traders lose, and what makes the difference. So many people come into the market with dangerously high expectations. I'll turn $100 into $1,000 in a week. But they have no strategy, no real risk management, and no emotional control. And then the market does what it always does. It takes money from the unprepared and gives it to those with a system. Forex is not a lottery ticket. It's a skill. And like any skill, it takes time, discipline, and the right mindset. So, what can you really earn if you do it right? Let's say you only have 1 hour per day. You learn properly. Practice consistently. Stay focused. Here's a realistic scenario after 6-12 months. With $1,000 capital, at 5% monthly returns $$50/month. With $5,000, $250/month. With $10,000, $500 to $1,000 month. Not flashy, but it's active income. Not dependent on a boss, not limited by office hours, and most importantly, you're in control. 3 essentials, if you're serious. 1. Consistent trading hours. You don't need to be online all day. You just need to be consistent. For example, London Open before 8 a.m. or New York evening session after 8 p.m. Pick a time that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Consistency beats randomness. 2. A strategy you understand, inside and out. No need for fancy indicators or complex formulas. Just one clear strategy that fits your time and mindset. It could be trend following, breakout at market open, or reacting to price zones. The key, you know exactly what you're doing. No guessing. 3. Risk management. The difference between surviving and blowing up. Don't risk 10% of your account just because a setup feels right. Don't remove your stop loss because you're afraid of getting stopped out. Don't chase losses emotionally. If you stay disciplined, you give yourself a real chance. Real story. Jacob, Florida, warehouse worker, no finance degree, no mentor, no big capital. Started with $500. Traded 1 hour each morning. Consistently. His approach? Simple breakout strategy. His tools? Excel logs. His mindset? Calm, no rushing, no bragging. After 1 month, plus $40. After 6 months, $790. After 1 year, $1,320. Over 160% growth. No hype. No headlines. Just real results from a real person using a real process. 5 steps. If you're ready to start seriously, choose one strategy, learn it from a trusted source, demo trade for 30, 60 days, feel the real emotions when trades go against you. Start with small capital. Focus on discipline, not profit. Track every trade. Doesn't have to look pretty, just be complete. Be patient. You need at least 6 months of data before judging performance. Final thoughts. You can't control the market, but you can control how you approach it. Forex makes no promises, but if you learn the right way, stick with it, and stay emotionally clear, it can become a reliable income skill that you own. And if you're not sure which broker to start with, I've created a free comparison sheet with the 3 best brokers for part-time traders, comparing execution speed, spreads, minimum capital, and bonuses. Download it for free in the video description. I've also included direct sign-up links. And if you go through them, I can personally support you with strategy tips and account selection. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video, where we focus on building the skill before chasing the reward.